Hi, I'm Nevin Paul from Rollins Machinery, here today with Sugata from Karachi. We've been using the Pik'r range ball picker out at local golf course doing some demos, and it works fantastically.
We are very excited to be here with Rollins as a new dealer for British Columbia and Alberta. We're looking to a great partnership. If you need a demo, just reach out to Rollins and they'll set you up. Thank you.
Thank you.